I will be discussing the difference between speed and velocity. Speed is distance over time, while velocity is displacement over time. Displacement meaning it starts from one point and then ends into another point or location, and that would be the displacement. It is easier to explain with an example. For example, we have an object that moved 4 meters to the right and then 4 meters down, and then go 4 meters going to the left, and then going up 4 meters and back into the same location, and the total time is 8 seconds for the whole trip. Now if we compute the speed, the total distance traveled is 16 meters and the total time is 8 seconds. Now the speed would be 16 divided by 8 is 2 meters per second. But if we compute for the velocity, the distance traveled of the object, it started from this point and ended at this point. The distance is 0 over 8 seconds. So the velocity of that object is 0. Now we can have a more complicated example. What is the average speed and average velocity of a car that has traveled 30 kilometers north for 1 hour and then traveled 40 kilometers east for 2 hours? So to compute the speed, we need to add the total distance. 30 kilometers plus 40 kilometers. The total time is 1 hour plus 2 hours. So the total distance is 70 kilometers. The total time is 3 hours. Now the speed would be 70 divided by 3 is 23.333 kilometers per hour. Now let us now compute for the velocity. So the car started from here, went up 30 kilometers, and then went to the right 40 kilometers. The displacement of the object would be from here to here. Let us call it C. So this is a right triangle. Now to get the length of C, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for C. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. C squared is equal to 30 kilometers, the quantity squared, plus 40 kilometers, the quantity squared. C squared is equal to 900 kilometers squared plus 1600 kilometers squared. C squared is equal to 2,500 kilometers squared. C is equal to 50 kilometers. To compute for the velocity, we have 50 kilometers, which is the displacement, divided by 3 hours. 3 hours. That would be 16.6666 kilometers per hour. So this is your speed and this is your velocity.